Famous people are imitated. Why? People love them and imitate the behaviors of their loved ones. The Prophet ﷺ first became Muhammad al-Amin, the trustworthy. Then he became Muhammad the Messenger ﷺ. Then he started preaching the message. He first became trustworthy. Then he said, do this, don't do that. The same thing holds true for parents. If there's a bond of love and trust between you and the child, he will think, this man won't harm me and this woman won't harm me. When he is attached to his mother and father with love, he will imitate what they do. 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 4-year-old children bow down and stand next to us on the prayer mat, don't they? That's how it continues. When does it become a problem? When the bond of trust and love between you and your child breaks. He takes that broken bond and connects it to someone else. He is fed from whoever he is connected to. If that person does not perform prayers, if that person doesn't make Salah, the child doesn't make it either. Just because your child is physically at your home doesn't mean that your child acts according to your values. You need to see who affects the heart of the child. The child imitates whoever he has an emotional bond with. The child becomes a member of a gang, but he is at your home. He eats your bread, uses your house, but does what the gang says. Then you say, what an ungrateful child, and you go crazy. The child is now detached from you. I say, please don't break that bond. That bond is extremely important.